In this Vidpopup review, I'm going to walk you through the software itself. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually Vidpopup? Vidpopup is a video funnel builder that's helped you interact with your website visitor in real time to convert more leads. You can actually segment your leads with interactive call to actions and feedback format with text, audio, and video. You can also build interactive and embeddable video funnels to boost website and social media engagement. So who's actually suitable for Vidpopup? Vidpopup is suitable for startup, content creator, and marketer looking to boost user engagement and drive more conversion. So without wasting much time, let me jump into the screen and show you Vidpopup itself. But before that, if you want to purchase Vidpopup, I actually have a link in my description box just below. Go ahead and use my link for the purchase of Vidpopup. So just an example of how the video funnel looks like. This is actually what you will get in your website. It's actually a video, and it's a video right at the bottom where you can actually choose, which I'm going to show you later on. Okay, so what you're actually looking at is actually the interface of Vidpopup. So for a start, you can actually see some navigation on the left where there's actually home, Vidpopup, replies, integration, templates, training team member membership status, roadmap, settings, and support itself. So on the home page, you can actually see the number of videos, number of replies, total Vidpopup, and average view rates itself. Okay, so the next thing which you need to do is go to this tab itself to create your first video funnel. By creating a video funnel, it's actually very simple. Just click into here. So right now you can actually see a ready-made template, or you can just start from scratch. So later on, I will just show you the ready-made template. For this demo, I'm going to build a video funnel using start from scratch itself. Okay, so for this demo, let me just use weight loss, and then you can just click into this. So how would you like to create this step? Okay, so there's actually a AI spokesperson which is coming soon. You can actually record your own video right over in Vidpopup. You can actually upload your own video as well, or you can actually record your screen using Vidpopup as well, or you can just use stock video. So for this demo, let me just use stock video. So you actually have Pixabay, Pexels, or GIPHY itself. Okay, let me choose Pexels itself, and then let me choose for some weight loss video. So let me just choose this video itself. Let me just click into this. Okay, you can actually preview the video. Once you're happy with this video, just go to the bottom and press continue. So this is the place where you can actually edit your funnel itself. Okay, for the very first step is actually text. The next one is answer, video, and funnel itself. Okay, so for the first thing you need to do is create your text. Okay, let me just put in one to lose weight. Okay, you can actually see the text is actually appearing over here. Okay, so the next thing is actually feed video. You can actually feed the whole screen. Okay, or you can actually fit into a segment itself. All right, so for the positioning, TL is actually top left, top center, top right, center left, center center, center right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. So this is the place where you can actually position your text itself. All right, so the text size, you can actually have a text size. Right now you can see my text is actually too big. I can actually choose the size. You can choose to extra large, large, medium, small. So for small, it's actually just nice. So you can actually choose the text color as well. Let me choose a bright red, and then you can actually check this where you can actually have your background for your text itself. So right now it looks better right now. Okay, so once it's done, you're happy with the text. Okay, then you can actually press next. Okay, but before that, you can actually see step 1, or you can actually create another steps. So if you're on a 2-step funnel, video funnel, of course you can actually create a new another step itself. But for this demo, I will not create a 2-step funnel itself. All right. So for that, I can actually press next. So right now you're actually in the next step, which is actually answer. So this step itself is where you want your client to answer your question. Like example, for want to lose weight, you can actually choose the different type of answer types. You can actually choose multimedia, multiple choice, button, calendar, or payment itself. So for multimedia, your client can actually answer the question by audio, video, or text itself, or you can actually choose multiple choice. You can actually add choice over here. Let me just put in the choice. Maybe you can just say buy weight loss product over here, or you can put buy weight loss programs. Okay, so you can actually toggle here. You can actually show auction count, where you can actually have choose 1 out of 2 auctions over here. Okay, so you can actually delay the interaction in seconds. You can actually input the delay in seconds, or you can actually toggle over here to collect contact detail on this steps itself. Okay, so what is this means? When any chance when they actually click into here, or this any 2 auctions here, they will actually go into the page where the client or your customer will need to input their name and their email address. If you want to skip this step, you just toggle it off itself. Let me show you more options of the answer type. Okay, you can actually add a button over here. You can actually put in the call to action text. You can actually see buy now. You can put in an action link. You can actually delay interaction in seconds. You can actually collect your contact details as well. So the next one is actually calendar. You can actually add your appointment scheduling here. If let's say you want to have, if let's say you are a fitness instructor, you want to book an appointment, you can actually put in your appointment scheduling as well. So the next one is actually payment. Okay, you can actually add in your payment link. Now you can actually change it to buy now. You can put the amount, maybe 100. Delay in seconds, collect the details. Okay, just press continue over here. So right now is actually the editing of the video itself. Okay, for editing of video, you can actually put in subtitle. You can actually add some notes. You can actually download the video, or you can actually replace the video itself. Alright, so once you're happy with the video, you just press next. So for this funnel, if client or customer click into here, what will be the end screen? Okay, so the end screen, you can actually edit the end screen right on the bottom. You can edit the end screen. So you can actually choose the font size. You can actually edit the background color. You can actually edit the text color as well. You can actually edit the text position, the text title. You can actually put thank you. Okay, you can actually put in some text description. Maybe you just put thank you for your purchase. Okay, something like that. Alright. So the custom button, you can actually put in a custom button. Let me, you can hover over this. You can put in a custom title. Okay, maybe you can just put if let's say you want to do some upsell, you can actually put here to see more offer. Okay, or if you have a YouTube video, Instagram page, you can actually redirect them as well. Or you can actually see, click here to watch weight loss video. You can put in your YouTube link, Instagram link, Facebook page, whatever you have. Alright, once it's done, okay, you just press done, and then you press back. Okay, so your funnel is done. So you just press done again over here. Okay, so you actually go to setting. This is the last step itself. Okay, so for setting itself, you can actually do SEO. You can actually do advanced for show control, pause autoplay, oversized video button, show with pop-up title, model radius, integration with CSV. Okay, CSV as well. And then you can actually put in a link. This is the place where you can actually share your link, or you want to share, you can actually preview your video itself, or you can actually share on social media. And then the widgets. Okay, the widget is the one which I actually show you earlier on the button. You can actually place your widget on the bottom. Okay, let's say you want a circle or you want a rectangular, you can actually position on the right or position on the left. You can actually choose the color, or you can actually put some overlay text. Okay, then if you want a code, you just get the code. And then this is a place where you can actually embed. You can actually copy this code over here as well, and then just embed into your website itself. Alright, so once it's done, just press done. Okay, so the next thing which I'm going to show you is actually the rest of the navigation. So the latest reply. Remember, you actually have a different type of reply where you can actually see all the replies over here. Okay, and then you can actually have some integration or Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, Zapier, Padly, and Sandy Blues. Okay, so the next one is actually the ready-made template. Okay, as I promised you earlier on, you will see some ready-made templates. So you can actually see some product info template, welcome video, advertising on Facebook, feedback template. What should be the next step? login issue, payment template, discount template, support template, webinar, calendar, handle negative feedback templates, FAQ template, interested in ads template, FAQ template 1, remark template, positive feedback, handling issue, one-on-one training, get to know customer template itself. In any case, if you want to preview, go ahead and preview this video. If you want to edit this template itself, go ahead and press choose itself. Alright, so let me just choose this template itself. So the editing is actually the same, it's actually step by steps. So moving on to the navigations. So on this training itself, in this case, if you have any questions, okay, there's actually tons of video trainings for Vidpopup. So it's actually a very short video. You can actually watch your video at your end. So the next one is actually team member. You can actually select upgrade your membership as well. So over here, you can actually see the status and you can actually see the roadmap. Okay. So for roadmap itself, you can actually see that what is actually on the roadmap itself, what is actually request, what is actually approved, in progress, or already released itself. Alright. So for settings, it's actually very simple. You can change your name, your email address. Also, you can actually have your own branding as well. So for support itself, so this is actually the Vidpopup Support Center. In any case, if you have any questions, you can actually email them. What I'm going to show you next is actually the price for Vidpopup itself. Okay, so this is actually an app module. So for tier 1, it's actually $69, where you actually have 10 GB storage, 10 templates, 10,000 play per month. You can actually have a 3-step per Vidpopup. If let's say you want to upgrade to second tier, it's actually $139. You can actually have 25 GB storage, unlimited play, unlimited steps per Vidpopup, 10 subs user. Or let's say you want to upgrade to the third tier, it's $279, 70 GB storage, 10 templates, unlimited play, unlimited steps, and 20 subs user, and you have no Vidpopup branding for tier 2 and 3. So I would actually strongly suggest you actually get the tier 3, where you actually have 70 GB storage itself. So if you want to purchase Vidpopup, I actually have a link in the description box. Go ahead and use my link. Okay, so it comes to my end of this demo for Vidpopup. I actually hope you learned something from me. So if you want to watch more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So meanwhile, to the next review, I will see you and take care. Goodbye.